Say hi, Tech Crew.
Hi, Tech Crew.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Star Room. I'm Phil, and today we're going to talk more about colors, especially the rainbow. We've read stories about the rainbow, we painted the rainbow, but today we're going to make one that you can keep with the help of science. Yes, it's going to be great. So let's see what we'll need. First, you'll need some way to make colors. You might have some food coloring at home. You could ask a big person if you have some special food coloring that's used for cooking. If you don't have that, you could use watercolor paints. If you don't have those, you could even ask an adult to help you with things like Jell-O or drink mix because they have color in it too. So gather those things up. Don't pay any attention to the flashlight. That's for later. Now let's get to work. Come around and take a look. Now on my table, I have a bunch of bottles. They're recyclable, so we can recycle these if we want, but we have some of them filled with water. And we also have the names of our colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, violet for old people like me. Now, take a look. In our bottles, we have some red, we have some yellow, and we have some blue, but I don't have any other things like food coloring to mix to make orange, green, or purple. Mercy me, what am I to do? I'll tell you what to do. This is the science part. In colors, red, yellow, and blue are called primary colors. That's because all colors are made from these. The colors we mix up after, orange, green, and purple or violet, are called secondary colors because they can only come after you mix your primary colors. So let's try it out. This is an experiment. So I'm going to take some red. I'm going to pour it carefully into this bottle. And then I'm going to add some yellow. Oh my gosh, it looks like orange. Now, next we want to make green. For green, we're going to start again with some yellow. And we'll add some blue. Oh, science is just like magic, people. Whoa, we made green. Now we're going to make our last color purple. We'll start with some blue. And we'll go way over here to get some red. And again, just like magic, purple. Now, here's the fun part. You can put the tops on and you can put them in your windowsill so you can see your rainbow there, or you can pull out your flashlight. You know the Star Room, we love our flashlights. You can take your flashlight and shine them through and see the colors of the rainbow. You can have a little disco party. It'll be great. So gather your materials and a big person, mix up some science color fun, and we'll see you next time in the Star Room.